how to make adjectives from nouns. Now, these are different ways, and it doesn't mean they work for all the words, or you use one type for all of them. So let's look at some of them. So to make an adjective from a noun, we add a suffix. In this case, the suffix is ski, ski, ski. And the first word, pisatel, which is a writer. So we have the whole word, pisatel. Then we add ski, and we have pisatelski, pisatelski. Obviously, that's related to a writer. Pisatelski habit, maybe, navik. The same, roditel, parent. Roditel, roditelski, roditelski. Počitatel. Počitatel is a fan or admirer. Počitatelski. Personal, the staff. Personalski, personalski. So you've noticed we have professions kind of here. Continuing, advocat, which is a lawyer, advokatski, advokatski. Kolekcioner, kolekcioner, kolekcionerski. There's someone who's collecting stuff. Now the next word is zviar, which is beast, zviar. But when we make an adjective from the noun, that ya becomes e, and then the adjective is zverski, zverski. Rodnina, which is relative, rodnina, loses the last a and becomes rodninski, rodninski. Few more words. Selo, which is village, selo, loses the last o and becomes selski, selski. Grad, town, gradski. Hora, again the last a disappears. Horski. Another suffix, n. Rod. Rod is a family. Roden. Now the stress is on the first syllable. Roden. You're talking about your native town, maybe. Roden. Ljato loses the last o, and also the ya becomes e. And then we have leten, something that's related to summer. Samolet is the whole word. Airplane, samolet, samoleten. Maybe that's an airplane ticket. Samoleten bilet. Sedmica, week, transforms even more. Sedmica. So the last a, you can see it's not there. A disappears and becomes ch. Ch. Sedmichen. Sedmichen. Now we have some materials. The first one comes from knitting, pletivo, knitting. And you have the first plet, and then n, pleten, knitted. The next one is wool, vlna. A disappears, vlnen. So that's probably some piece of clothing that's made of wool, вълнен. Then we have cotton, памучен. Памук ends in k, but in this case it changes into ch. Памучен, памучен. And linen is lenen, linen. Len is linen, linen is the adjective. Again, more materials. Хартия, which is paper, хартия, loses the last ya and becomes хартиен, хартиен. Дърво, which is a tree, дърво, loses the last o and becomes дървен, дървен. The same with glass. Стъкло, there is no o at the end, it becomes стъклен, стъклен. And one more, of, of. We have few words here. Cod, codov. Cod is something you're coding. Pod is floor, podov. Marka, marka is a brand, something you buy clothes from a famous brand. Marka loses the last a and becomes Markov. Markov. Shock is shock. If you experience some sort of shock, shockov, usually shock of udar. And plod, which is fruit, becomes plodov. Plodov. Now you know how to make adjectives from nouns. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.